Welcome everyone to 912 Financial Group's review of the 912 Playbook January 2024 featured investor suggestion. Okay, let's review the January suggestion. PayPal Corporation, we reviewed the chart and did our internal analysis and decided the risk reward was there to suggest entering into a bullish position with PayPal at 61.41. We decided that a good place to put a stop was just below the October 2023 lows and set a target to return to where it was trading before the August 2nd, 2023 drop. So our stop is 50.20 and our target is 74.25. So using that information, we came up with our trade suggestion. Given where the stock is currently trading and our target and stop, we construct the position of buying a June 62.5 call, selling a June 75 call, and selling 2 June 50 puts. Why June? Because we are investing and 6 months is what we target for these investor suggestions. Now, you will notice that the suggestion makes note of an aggressive and a conservative trader. The conservative trader will utilize the stop. The aggressive trader will not. The aggressive trader is the true investor because he is willing to take ownership of PayPal at $50. And in this case, because there are 2 short puts, 200 shares. The conservative trader is solely a long-term swing trader. As for maintenance for this position, for the conservative trader, it's very simple. Place an OCO, one cancels another, order to close the entire position should PayPal trade 74.25 or 50.20. And have bids to close your short units at 5 cents, good until canceled. For the aggressive trader, even simpler, place an order to close both call units should PayPal trade 74.25 and let the short puts do what they will. Have bids to close your short units at 5 cents, good until canceled also. Close the 62.5 calls should they close in the money on expiration day. We want 0 residual position, at least for the conservative trader, and only if below 50 for the aggressive. The margin usage should be the margin used to sell 2 June 50 puts. If you would like to reduce the requirement, you can buy further out of the money June puts, the 40 or 35. But that would increase the cost of the trade by the cost of 2 of those units. So this is our starting point. Our strikes and our zone of profit. 62.5 to 75 and loss if stopped or held below 50. Okay, let's see what happened. You put the position on January 2nd for a 10-cent credit. At the end of January, PayPal closed at 61.35. Your position closed at $1.84 with a 10-cent credit at entry. You're up $1.94. At the end of February, PayPal closed at 60.34. Your position closed at 81 cents with the 10-cent credit at entry. You're up $91. At the end of March, PayPal closed at 66.99. Your position closed at 466 with the 10-cent credit at entry. You're up 476. At the end of April, PayPal closed at 67.92. Your position closed at 503 with the 10-cent credit at entry. You're up 513. In May, a couple things happened. First, you were able to close the 50 puts on May 15th for 5 cents or 10 cents in total. You did the trade for a 10-cent credit. Now you own the 62.5 75 bull call spread for free. You can't lose money, and you have all the potential, the free 62.5 75 bull call spread. Next, you were able to close the 75 calls on May 29th for 5 cents. Now your 62.5 calls are no longer capped at 75, and should the stock run to your target, you won't have those short 75 calls eating into your 62.5 gains. You own those 62.5 calls for 5 cents. You have 5 cents of risk and the unlimited upside above 62.5 at the end of May. PayPal closed at 62.99. Your position closed at 209 with the 10-cent credit at entry minus the cost of the units you bought back. You're up 204. At expiration, PayPal closed at 58.03. Your position closed at 0 with the 10-cent credit at entry minus the cost of the units you bought back. You're down $5. But here's the thing. You entered a bullish position and the stock closed $3.38 lower 6 months later, and you lost $5. Keep your losses small. Let your winners run. This time we kept our losses small. If you are viewing this review and are still not sure about subscribing, request a free 14-day trial edition at 912financialgroup.com. Thanks for joining me. Contact us with comment or criticism at 912financialgroup.com. Check us out at 12fin Group on X. Have a great day.